What stood out to me was you're not just another number coming here. When I was looking for a new career change, I really wanted to find a place that was more family-oriented and cared about their employees. They're technology-driven. They always want to do better. They're looking for the next bigger and better thing to invest in.
It is essential to have a skilled workforce for a lot of things that go on at the farm. I always joke around that the first thing that happens when we purchase a new piece of equipment from a vendor is we bring it into our own shop, we strip it down and make the modifications that we want, even on a $2 million machine. That takes skill and that takes talent to make sure that we can meet the needs and get the efficiencies that we need. Even from a community perspective, one of the challenges with technology is a perception of a technologically advanced farm versus the old red barn is a lot different. So, it's definitely a huge change in the way that people think about agriculture, but technology is absolutely important. So going back to even the early years, my father recognized that technology and innovation were what were needed to meet the needs of the community and customers. We're investing in technology to ensure that my daughter and her family of families can continue farming for generations to come.